Roth IRAs are a great place to save for retirement. However, the IRS limits who can make regular contributions to Roth only for those under a certain level of income. Many people believe that if they have income above that limit set by the IRS, they're unable to make contributions to Roths. However, there's one trick that allows anyone, regardless of income, to effectively contribute to a Roth IRA each year, and the trick is called Backdoor Roth Contributions. With this loophole, you first make a contribution to what's called a non-deductible IRA. This is available for anyone regardless of their income. Once you make that contribution, you perform a Roth conversion of that non-deductible IRA. This allows anyone, regardless of income, to effectively get money into a Roth every year. One important note though, this option is easiest for those without money in traditional IRA. 401ks are okay, but if you have additional investments in pre-tax or traditional IRA, this process could result in some added taxes for you. Also, this process can add some complexity to your tax return each year, so be sure you talk with a financial advisor or a tax preparer to make sure this option's right for you.